Brother Adam, welcome back into the UK. How do you feel? How do you feel about the journey in overall?
Brother, it's a great journey and it's Ummah Muhammad's journey, and I feel very, very proud of to do so. That's such a beautiful journey, as everybody from around the world is enjoying that journey, and I'm very, very grateful for it.
What inspired you to take on this journey?
The true religion of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Okay.
Quran.
And briefly about your trolley. I see you designed it, you made it yourself. And how did you come about the idea of
because
making
I
this
was thinking, such a long journey when you go, you need some place to rest, you need some place to make a cooking for it. So because I have got American motorhome, and I think about, to do some little mini caravan. So the ideas is come from the caravan,
Okay. You finished this journey. What's your next plans?
Inshallah, my next plan is going to be from Masjid al-Haram to Masjid al-Aqsa.
Okay. And, we saw the hospitality and the support you got when you were in Medina and Makkah.
That's correct, yeah.
How's that feeling?
It's feeling great, Many people are coming towards me, brother, They paid the respect for me, and they gave me, good food, good support. I get it from them. Alhamdulillah wa shukr.
And overall, the people that supported and still are supporting all the way from UK to Makkah, any words you'd like to convey to them?
My brothers and sisters, I love you. Your du'as is been accepted, and inshallah my dua, it will be accepted toward you, which is I made it for you. As your salams, which is you told me that to say salam to Prophet Muhammad, I told the salam from you to him. And I made the du'as for you. Inshallah, my dua, it will be accepted for you as well.